Hi everyone, my name is Yusek. In this video, we are going to install Frappe Bench in our Linux operating system. This is the first video of Frappe series, and you will find this documentation link in our description through which we can install Frappe Bench in our Linux operating system. First step, we have to install Docker in our system. For that, we will open our terminal and type sudo apt install docker.io. Through this, you will install Docker in your system, and after that we will install Docker Compose. Let's wait for the installation process of Docker. Now Docker is about to install. After that we will install Docker Compose. For that we will run sudo apt install Docker Compose and press yes. It will take very little time to install, and wait for the installation. Now our Docker and Docker Compose is installed in our system. We have to add Docker in our user group. For this we will run sudo group add Docker. This will add Docker to your user group, and then you have to run this command sudo user mode -a $docker $user, and after that we will run new grp docker, and this is the last process. And now you will check docker ps, through which we can see all running container. Now go to the directory where you want to install Frappe. You will store the Frappe folder structure, and I'm going to desktop and making a directory called work, and go to the work. After inside the work we'll install the command in the documentation through which we can clone the docker file, and after that we will process the step which is written in the documentation. If you want to know about details, you will read the documentation. And this is the third process through which we can copy some file from one directory to another directory. This command will install a VS Code extension, and this is the installing VS Code extension. And after that you will open this directory to our VS Code. For that we will run code command to open this file in our VS Code. Press yes and reopen in container. This will open this folder structure in your Docker container. Basically a Docker compose.yml file will run and install all required container like MariaDB for database, Redis for cache, and Frappe, and wait for this process. This is a time-taking process. This process will depend on your internet speed connectivity. If your internet is fast, this will take very little time, and if your internet is slow, it will take a long time. Wait for this process. Do not close VS Code. Now it is installed. We don't need other terminal. We will open a new terminal in VS Code through that plus icon, and we will close the existing terminal of system. We don't need that. And after that we will process the documentation file, and we will install Frappe Bench in our development directory of Devcontainer. This is installing Frappe Bench. It will take time. It also depends upon your internet connectivity. It will pull some file from GitHub and run. Let's wait for this process. Now Frappe Bench is about to install, and it is installed. You will see we are in Frappe Bench directory. If we are not in Frappe Bench directory, we will go to Frappe Bench directory, then set host command from the documentation. I will copy the host command and paste here. After that, this is the completion of Frappe Bench and Frappe in our system. Now we will create a site. This bench start command is basically run bench, and now we will create a site and then run it. For that we will run bench new site. Your site name, my site name is I think sipms.localhost, and enter the MariaDB password. That password is 123, and after that Frappe will install and that on that site, and then we will run bench start command to run that site and open that site in our browser. Frappe is installed on the site sipms.localhost. This is asking the administrator password. You will write administrator password, then run your bench start, and after that you will open your that site in a browser. I am opening sipms.localhost :8000. 8000 the default it is the default port of Frappe. This is the login page. Your username is administrator and password is the password you will set in the bench during the installation process of Frappe in this site. This is a setup wizard. You will add a user and create, and you will see the Frappe is installed in this site. After that you will learn about the Frappe app, how app is installed, and what is the basic command of Frappe, and many more things about the customization of Frappe, how we will achieve extra customization of Frappe. Please do subscribe our CodeVorge YouTube channel, through which you will find every update of Frappe video. This is the Frappe series in which we will make a lot of videos. This is the first video of that series. This is the installation of Frappe in your Linux operating system. If you have doubt, please comment. Thank you for watching this video.